Assalamu alaikum. Today I have this model of the foot and we will be discussing the muscles of the foot and the various layers formed by these muscles. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that the muscles that are reaching up to the big toe are the hallucis muscles, and the ones that are attaching to the last toe are the digiti minimi, while the ones that are inserting on the middle toes are the digitorum. So let's begin. So the first muscle in the first layer of the sole of the foot is the abductor hallucis muscle. So that means it will reach up to the big toe, abductor hallucis. Then the middle muscle that is reaching up to the middle toes is the digitorum muscle, flexor digitorum brevis, as it is not reaching the distal phalanx, only the middle phalanx. So flexor digitorum brevis. 1, 2 and 3, these are the tendons of digitorum muscles. Then the last muscle, if we move to the lateral side of the foot, the last muscle is the abductor digiti minimi. So now we have here this white part is the plantar aponeurosis. So after the first layer, now we'll move on to the second layer. I will remove this part. So now that I have removed this first layer of muscles, so the second layer of muscles, first of all we have this muscle that is present on the inside. This one, this is the chordatus plantae, this one. Then the second muscle is the lumbricals. They are the 4 lumbricals that are present between the tendons of your digitorum brevis. This is the lumbricals. These are the tendons for digitorum brevis, and between them you have the lumbricals. Then the next muscle you have is the flexor hallucis longus muscle. It will be attached to the distal phalanx of the toe. Then lastly you have the flexor digitorum longus. So these are the tendons for digitorum brevis, and underneath them you see another group of tendons. These are the tendons for digitorum longus, flexor digitorum longus. So we've done the second layer. So now we have the third layer of muscles, 2 for hallucis and 1 for digiti minimi. So let's see. This muscle that you can see, it's present a bit deep right next to this cut muscle 47. This is the flexor hallucis muscle, flexor hallucis brevis, right here, and right next to it we have 48 and 49. These are the oblique and transverse heads of adductor hallucis. Oblique and transverse head of adductor hallucis. Next we have the flexor digiti minimi. So the flexor digiti minimi is this muscle between the nerve and the vessel. It will travel all the way from here up to the last digit. So 3 muscles of the third layer: flexor hallucis brevis, oblique and transverse heads of adductor hallucis, and the last one is starting from here. We have the adductor, we have the flexor digiti minimi for the flexion of your last toe. So the last layer, here we have the plantar interossei. They are 4 in number, and this is the dorsal aspect of the foot, the front of the foot to be in other words. So you have these muscles. These are also 4 in number. These are the dorsal interossei. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you.